Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this mini heart bracelet as well as the matching hair piece. In order to make this bracelet, we need 4 strings. First, fold all the strings in half. Then leave the amount of space that you can pass the top of your pinky and attach it firmly onto the working surface. Take 1 white string from the right side and make 1 backward knot. Hold the string on the right side and start wrapping clockwork-wise. For this first part, you just wrap about 2 or 3 times to secure the initial loop. For the last one, create a space as shown here and pass the string inside there. Keep that white string on the right side and place 2 red strings on each side. Bring the white string over the red string and pass it under the other 5 strings. Place the end of the white string inside the triangle you created. Take 2 white strings and place them on each side. Take the white string that you have used and place it under the other 3 strings and pass the end of the string inside the triangle you just created. Now separate the 2 pink strings, place that white string inside, and then make 1 double forward knot. It is like using these 2 pink strings to make 1 double forward knot, wrapping the 2 white strings. Take the left pink string and make 2 double backward knots. You will have to make these double backward knots upwards towards left top. Take the right pink string and make 2 double forward knots. Same thing here, make the double forward knots towards upright corner. Now take the left red string and make 2 double forward knots. Now take the right red string and make 2 double backward knots. Connect the two red strings with either double backward knots or double forward knots. Now we close this heart. Take the left pink string and make a single forward knot onto the first string. Place that white string and the next white string together and make a single forward knot onto both of them. Tighten that knot while making that pink little curve. Now make a single forward knot onto the two white strings and the red string. Take the right pink string and make a single backward knot onto the first white string. Don't pull this one too much. Make the next single backward knot onto two white strings. Make the last single backward knot onto the two white strings and the red string. Connect the two pink strings with one double backward knot or double forward knot. Take the longer white string from the right and make one single backward knot onto all the other 7 strings. Now use that white string and wrap around the other 7 strings. I wrap around 10 to 11 times. The bottom part of the strings gets tangled, so please untangle them accordingly. After wrapping, pass the end of the string inside the triangle you create. Place that white string on the right side. Now take the two pink strings and place them on both sides. As I have shown for the first heart, please do the way I explained on the inserted video. So this white string pass under the other 5 strings. Now for the next white strings, choose the longest and place it on the right side, the second longest on the left side, and leave the shortest one in the center. Again, pass the white string under the center 3 strings. Place the white string you have been using together with the shortest white string. Take 2 red strings and make 1 double forward knots. Now we make the heart the way you made the first heart. For the hairpiece, I chose 2 stem colors. In that case, alternate those colors. And always choose the longer string to place it on the right side. Again, in order to close the heart, make sure the first single knot should not be pulled too hard. Take the longer white string and make a single backward knot. Continue wrapping to make the next stem. Repeat these steps until it reaches the desired length. I made 7 hearts in total. Now take the white string on the right and make 1 backward-forward knot onto all the other 7 strings. Divide the 8 strings in 2 equal groups. Make 2 twist braids and end each of them with 1 overhand knot. Cut the excessive strings and you're done. In order to make this adjustable, pass the 2 tails inside the initial loop, pull them all the way through, and then pass those inside the circle you created and pull the whole bracelet all the way through. For the hairpiece, I made 9 hearts. In order to finish this hairpiece, place the white string on the right and make 1 backward-forward knot. Now take the left white string and make 1 forward-backward knot. Leave about 10 centimeters or 4 inches and cut the rest. Now unravel all the threads to make a tassel. Attach an elastic as shown here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.